Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. I've got a scrapbook kit in front of me. I have never ever done a scrapbook page in my entire life. I never have, but I'm really excited to. And we have released 4 scrapbook kits. Scrapbook workshop kits where the only extra thing you need are snips, a trimmer and glue. But otherwise the entire contents is in here. So we have 4. I'm very technical and I have brought my mobile phone, and so we have 4. This is Reindeer Memories, which is this one here on the right. We had a team event last weekend at the end of September where the team worked with Autumn to Remember and Snow Day, and then there's also a Halloween one which I saw one of the girls had brought with her as well. That one is absolutely stunning. Well, they are all gorgeous, but that one was absolutely stunning. I now don't have mine. I did buy one of each of the autumn, the 2 Christmassy ones and the autumn one, and then I didn't have enough for our team event, so I had to take mine. So I'm waiting on my replacement. But this one we did display. Now, if you have already ordered this from me, and loads of you are going, yep, let's have a bash at scrapbooking. This one, the sticker sheet was missing. Don't worry about getting in touch with me because it's automatically triggering a replacement because all the kits were missing. So this arrived separately. So I'm going to unbox this, take it out of the bag. And it does come with heavy board backing for it so it doesn't bend. But one of my girls had flown in, so I said to her, look, take the board away with you to keep your stuff safe on the journey home. So the kit comes with instructions. So you get to make 3 2-page spreads. So there's 6 pages in total. So that's spread 1. So obviously I guess when you're opening a scrapbook, you open it like that. So that's 1 page, that's another page, and that's another page. Gather photos, 13 in total. So I've got a Kodak little mini printer. I'm going to have to walk across the office. I'm still here. I'm not going anywhere. I've just gone to the other side of my office. And, oh, here we go. Not that it's working right now, it's decided to play up. I have one of these. It's not a selfie. I think they do 6x4 prints, but this does 2x3 prints. But yeah, the Bluetooth was playing up when we were away, and actually I haven't tested it since I've been back. But even if you don't have your photos, you have holding pages, which are these photo placeholders. So you put those down and then you add your photos afterwards. But the girls on the team were telling me, you can go into pretty much any supermarket and you just do them off your phone with apps and stuff. Anyway, there's full instructions. So this one is, I don't know, getting started, gather all the materials. Oh, those are cutting diagrams. So, here we go. So you do it, you literally are just following. So that's the left-hand page and that's the right-hand page. Create the woven corner on the left. So, yeah, so you've got a woven corner and you're cutting everything. That's the left and the right. So it's how to assemble it. Okay, so that's the instructions on it. So, but I wanted to go through it with you, and then I don't know if I'm going to put one together, but I will show you everything because I think if you're like me and have never done scrapbooking, this is a very good way to start. So those are your 4x6 inches. So that is 10 by 15 centimetres, 7.5 by 7.5 centimetres, and this one, these are 3 by 3 inches, and these are 3 by 4, which is 10 by 7.5 centimetres. So you've got a variety. Then we have die cut bits that say that's J, O and Y. More die cut pieces, and it tells you which projects they're for. Oh, that is so clever. Does that one? No, that one doesn't. So project 3, so that's amount. So this big one here, project 2. Look, it's got Christmas cheer up there. I think the thing that has put me off scrapbooking is that nobody's ever done it for me. Nobody's ever told me what I meant to do. This is, I've forgotten the name of this white. It's a slightly different white to our white. Let me see if I can rummage and get some out of my drawer. Oh, not without breaking my nails. I can't lose my ruler gone. So, it's like I say, it's a different white. Oh, that's not open. Or I'm told it is. Yes. So you are not at all going to see that on camera. Maybe if I tip it like that. Ours is slightly creamier. This is more of a, if I say blue-white, does that make sense? No, probably not. You know, like you have warm white fairy lights and then you've got ice white fairy lights and they're very icy. It's the difference. Then we've got vanilla. And then we've got this two-tone, and I do know I was missing a page. Let me find a dark one. Oh, there you go. So it's two-tone, so it's darker on one side than the other. Can you see the difference in that one? Like I said, I was missing a page of that. And then the greens, the two-tones, and you can see in the dark green. This is not cardstock in the sense of, have I got a sheet of cardstock to show you? No, it's not. It's like the thickness of our designer series paper, which is actually really good for a scrapbook because you don't want them to be insanely heavy, do you? Paper, and actually what I have seen from you guys shopping with me, because we do have the paper and sticker packs as a standalone. We've got the core, the two-tone cardstock as a standalone. Let me see if I can call up that page again. We've obviously got stamp sets. So here we go. So you could get just the DSP and the sticker pack. Loads of people have been buying just those, and that's for all 4 of them. Then you could get just the designer series paper on its own. Then you could get just that's the cardstock, the two-tone cardstock. And then you could get, is that single colours? Yep, single colours of it. So yeah, but I have seen loads of people, because you know your paper folks like me. Oh, look at the reindeer. Oh, I love that. And those, I don't know if you can see them. They are tiny little jingle bells. Can't see that very well. And little snowflakes. Oh, that's the same as that one. And then this one, look at that with the stylised Christmas trees. And then the checker on the back. There's loads of paper. This one has a white back, so I'm guessing that's a background for something. And then there's that one's got a white. So we've got 2 sheets of that one, 2 sheets of that one. That's the backing. And then this is our sticker sheet, and I'm guessing it's just one sticker sheet, but loads of stickers, so all of these bits. So how fabulous is that? So you can literally make these, but I'm reading this at the same time you are. Gather all the materials needed, check the cut orientation. Oh, okay, so there's those little jingly bells that you couldn't see so well. You probably still can't see them. So it's telling you which way to do it, and then you're cutting a 3x3 inch strip of that, a 2 inch. So let's see so they've been given numbers. So 2F, 2C, 2E. And it even tells you which is the first cut. So your first cut goes down to maximise the paper. Oh, this is so cool. Ah, so that's, yeah, the weave is over on that side. Here's using the stickers. So this one's the 4x6 on 2L. Right. Matt, the 4x6 photo, that's over there somewhere, on 2L, which we've cut over. Here's somewhere. I watched the team do it, not with this one. 2L. So that's 3s and that's 3s. Oh, there it is, over here. On this one. So that's white cardstock. Oh, white willow. I knew the name of it. White willow. So it goes on there. Prepare journaling on lined white die cut. Oh, that's over on this side. So there we go. So that's the white core. Do the journaling on there. And it's literally telling you, you'll insert some of the die cuts slightly under other pieces, so make sure not to get adhesive too close to the edge of them. Yes, because they are going over and under, aren't they? And assemble 2A, 2B and 2C. So 2A was a long strip down here somewhere. There's 2A, 2B, or not 2B. There's 2B, that's a long thin strip. 2C, and I can see them now. 2C, there. Add photos, add title, add a dear title, a dear photo, embellish with stickers, and then over on the other side, 2E, F and G. So that's 2E, 2F, and there's 2, oh no, that's 2J. Was it G or J? G. 2G. A dear prepared 2H and 2L. Can't find them. They're on his... Oh no, that's 1L. Maybe these are background ones. Oh no, it shows it on here. It shows it on here as well. That's so clever. It shows you... This is me merrily reading the instructions here, but forgetting they're showing there. That's just so much fun. But I might well do a page. I don't think I'm going to film me doing that because that was painful going backwards and forwards. But I might do a page, but then I'm also going to do other stuff because here's the thing. I've got some epic stuff here. I've got all this stunning patterned paper to play with and make stuff with, and then I've got this lovely not too thick cardstock over here to do stuff with, and it's 12 by 12 inches, so 30.5 by 30.5 centimetres. Let me get that. And yes, the willow white. Then I've got stickers, I've got die cuts, I've even got mats and layers. So even if I wasn't going to do scrapbooking, look, I've got Joy. Which one does that go on? Oh, that goes on this one here, that page there. And that is for a banner on that same page. So loads of fun. Like I say, the Autumn to Remember, those pages that the team did, one of them laid it all out completely. So I said to the team, you do what you want. You've got, you know, everybody's got enough to do a 2-page spread. Some of them stuck to the instructions. They were a bit like me and had never scrapped in their lives. And others who had scrapped went freestyle, and others who had bits left over started making cards and things. So yeah, I can't wait to have a play. Definitely going to have a play. My little brain is on overtime. Anyway, go and check out the scrapbook stuff. We've got, of the 4 of them, I've got them in price order. Autumn to Remember is the most expensive at £40. This one is £35. The Halloween is £27, and then Snow Day is £24. Again, I'm looking here. So if you go to pootles.stampinup.net and then you are clicking for, I think there's a section called scrapbooking. I'm looking on the demo version of the site. Snow Day is the least expensive, and the girls did do the comparison. There's less designer series paper in there. But yeah, I would absolutely say go and try one. Oh look, there's the Halloween one. That's the autumn one. I wish I had mine here to show you. I have done a reel that shows you all of the completed pages. Just gorgeous. And then I love it. I love it. I am an autumn. Play, just go and play, or have somebody buy you one for Christmas, or buy one for somebody else for Christmas. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me in my garble jamble blah. I'm going to have a play with this. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.